Let me share the screen to grade 5. Possibly Gayatri might be taking the lead to start with the assembly.
Yes, sir. I would like to start off the assembly, with the thought of the day. It is very easy to object someone, but it is very hard to win someone. I repeat my thought of the day. It is very easy to object someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Thank you.
Meruvians by Mahil. 100% vaccination for staff is done. Fitness circuit with 16 fitness stations for students who are coming for physical school. Preparations and plans are in place for Children's Day celebrations. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Venkat Shastrik. I'm going to update you on the latest news. ICC T20 World Cup 2021. Ravi Shastri finally breaks silence over Indian team early exit. Highlights: India vs Namibia live cricket. Men in blue sign off with a comprehensive 9-wicket win. India trashed Namibia in Virat Kohli's last game as a T20 international captain. Astronaut Wang Yaping becomes the first Chinese woman to walk in space. William Shatner, a 90-year-old, sets a record in space with Blue Origin spaceflight. China launches a Sustainable Development Satellite SDGSAT-1 to study Earth from space. Thank you.
Achoo!
What happened, Nakshita? I think you're not well. You're coughing and sneezing. Even your voice is very low.
Yes, Gayatri, I really have a very bad cold and cough.
Oh, don't worry, Akshita. Your immune system would help you in recovering soon.
Immune system? What does that mean?
The immune system is the body's defense mechanism against infections. The immune system helps us fight against any foreign substance that enters our body and keeps us healthy.
Yes, I also heard that if our immune system is weak, we tend to fall sick frequently.
And what should I do to strengthen my immune system?
Maintain a healthy diet. As with most things in your body, a healthy diet is key to strong immune system. Exercise regularly, hydrate and hydrate and hydrate, and get plenty of sleep and minimize stress.
Yes, always a healthy diet will help us maintain the immune system. But we still have few deadly viruses which can be treated with a healthy immune system.
Polio is a crippling and potentially deadly infectious disease that is caused by poliovirus. Making sure that infants and children are vaccinated is the best way to prevent polio from returning.
Hepatitis A is a contagious liver disease and is transmitted through a person to person contact or through contaminated food and water. Vaccinating against hepatitis A is a good way to help your baby stay HEPA free and healthy.
Rotavirus. Rotavirus is a contagious and can cause severe watery diarrhea, often with vomiting, fever, and abdominal pain, mostly infants and young children. Rotavirus is one of the first vaccines an infant can get. It's the best way to protect your child from the rotavirus disease.
Chickenpox is a disease that causes an itchy rash of a blister and a fever. Vaccinating kids at an early age is especially important to keep your children healthy.
Most people infected with the virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. However, some will become seriously ill and require medical attention. COVID-19 vaccines can reduce the risk of getting and spreading the virus that causes COVID-19.
And what are we supposed to do to fight against such viruses?
We need to get vaccinated.
Vaccination? Yes, I remember. I used to take it and I have a chart for this.
Yes, I remember taking my sister to her vaccination last week. Vaccines help the immune system conquer infections faster and in a more effective manner. When you are vaccinated, it sparks the immune response, thus helping the body fight off and remember the virus. so that it can attack it in the event of a future invasion.
Yes, I remember that. World Immunization Week, celebrated every year in the last week of April. This aims to promote the use of vaccines to protect people of all ages against disease. Our present situation of fighting with COVID since the past 2 years serves as an evidence of the importance of immunity and the ways to maintain the immunity of humans. Due to the lack of ample immunity in humans across the globe, mankind had to face dreadful conditions.
Last but not the least, the present pandemic situation that has been caused because of COVID-19 has really made the people understand the importance of immunity and vaccination.
Please get vaccinated and boost up your immunity with good food. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much, children. I don't think any other time is most apt to celebrate Immunization Day than today.
वैक्सीन वैक्सीन लिया क्या? माँ और बेटे को, बीवी और पति को, बेटे और बाप को, परिवार अपने आप को, ऑफिस के स्टाफ को, गली वाले यार को, दादा और दादी को, भैया और भाभी को, कार के ड्राइवर को, नौकर और चाकर को, धोबी वाले, दूध वाले, चाय वाले और चौकीदार को पूछो, वैक्सीन लिया क्या? Don't delay, don't wait, one shot, just take a day. डरने की कोई बात नहीं, अफवाहों की औकात नहीं, होडल करने के जज्बात नहीं, ना करने के हालात नहीं, जान नहीं तो व्यापार नहीं, वो महंगी वाली कार नहीं, घर और परिवार नहीं, दोस्त और यार नहीं, तो वैक्सीन लिया क्या? Don't delay, don't wait, one shot, just take a day.
मारो कोई न बच के जाने पाए, डॉक्टरों को समझा दो ये टीके से कोई रह ना जाए, इसके सारे डोज लगाना सबको यह मैसेज जाए, जिसे नहीं वैक्सीन लगाना प्यार से उसको भी समझाए।
कुछ दिनों की बात है फिर अच्छे दिन का राज है, वैक्सीन अपनी खास है फिर डरने की क्या बात है, वैक्सीन अपनी खास है फिर डरने की क्या बात है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
अभी तो वैक्सीन शुरू हुई है, अरे अभी तो वैक्सीन शुरू हुई है, अभी तो वैक्सीन शुरू हुई है। बाद में ना कहना भाई हम दे दे यह वार्निंग, वैक्सीन चलेगी दिल सूचना जनहित में जारी, सबको अपनी जान है प्यारी, नखरेबाजी ठीक नहीं है, वैक्सीन डुप्लीकेट नहीं है, अफवाहों को कह दो बाय, देश को बीमारी से बचाएं, अभी तो वैक्सीन शुरू हुई है।